Hi friends, I'm still your shoe crochet, Rachel Chidima. So today I'll be teaching you how to crochet these cute baby sandals. You can see it, or shoe, you can call it shoe. So I got this particular sole from a used sole. So just watch out how I got the sole. Yeah, this is the sole. So I will show you how I cut off the leather, then reuse the sole. So I will use this thing and cut it off. Just be very careful while cutting. Yeah. Yeah, then after that you use this thing and create the holes. So after that you can use it with the same color, like this one is carton color, or you can dye it. You can use a dye and dye it black. You can see it. So I use shoe dye and dye it black. You can see it. Then I'll start crocheting on the insole. You can see the pad and this thing, the lining. So I work 3 single crochets on each hole. Then I give a little space and create another hole. So you work either 3 single crochets or 4 single crochets on each hole. Then you walk around, you can see it, walk round the insole. So you keep walking until you go around the insole. Yeah, you can see it. Then you fix. So you crochet from the hole of the insole and the one of the sole. Just watch carefully what I did here. You can see it. So you walk round the sole. You can see what I did. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it. I'm done fixing the insole. That is it. So now I'll take my measurements. You can see it. Then I'll start working. These two goes together. These two goes together. Just watch out what I will do. Then you make a chain. I'll be starting from here. Then you make a 17 chains. Make 17 chains. You can see it. Then you fix here. First you make a slip knit on the first stitch. Then on the next stitch you make a single crochet. Then turn and skip the 2 stitches on the sole. Continue working on the 17 chains you make. Work to the end. That's it. Then crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sole. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So at the end of each row, you make a single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sole, turn and skip 1 stitch. So continue working till you work 6 rows. You can see it. 6 rows. That is what I have here. So we are going to create another design here. So here I have 10 stitches. 10 stitches. I'm going to work on the 10 stitches. you make a chain. On the same stitch, you make a single crochet. That is one. On the next stitch, which is two. So continue working till you work on the 10 stitches we have here. Yeah, you can see it. So then you turn, keep working till you work 6 rows. There you can see it. So I'll be fixing it here. So I fix by single crochet. There you can see it. So we are going to create the side belt. So here I'm going to work on 6 stitches, single crochet all through. On the same stitch, make a single crochet, work on 6 stitches. Then you make a chain, then you turn. So keep working till you work more 5 rows. That is total of 6 rows. Yeah, here is it. So you repeat the same thing on the opposite side here. So now I'm going to make the round belt. So you first make your knot, then you make 20 chains. Then you start from here, make a single crochet, so you work 14 chains here. That's it. Then you continue your single crochet. There you can see it. Then you make your chain and turn. So you keep watching till you work 4 rows. 4 rows. There you can see it. Yeah, you can see how cute the sandals is. So the next thing now is to fix your buckle. Yeah, here is it. So if you love this video, please do wait to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.